There was a boy, a very string enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eyes, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many sinful and kings, this he said to me, that greatest thing you ever loved, it's just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eyes, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, full and kings, this he said to me, that greatest thing you ever loved, it's just to love and be loved in return.